Hi, I'm Margaret Leuwen and welcome to Margaret Leuwen Quilting. Today is Tuesday, so that means it's Quick Tip Tuesday. For today's tip, I wanted to show you why I love fat quarters as much as I do. Fat quarters are probably one of the most versatile cuts of fabric that there is besides yardage. From a fat quarter, you can get a number of different pieces or different cuts. You can get 6.5 inch squares. You can get 9 6-inch squares. You could get 12 5-inch squares, 16 4.5 inch squares, 20 4-inch squares, 30 3.5 inch squares, 42 3-inch squares, 56 2.5 inch squares, and 99 2-inch squares. But what I like to do with it the most is I like to grab my 12.5 inch Creative Grids ruler, and I like to get at least 1, 2 10-inch cuts, and then I like to take my remainder fabric, which is about 6 inches, and from that I like to cut usually 2 strips for my binding, or a 2.5 inch strip for my binding, and then another strip for things like sashing strips, or to just put together some strips and make a block. So the next time you're in your local quilt shop, make sure that you grab a bundle of fat quarters, because I'm telling you, there's a lot you can do with a fat quarter. Thank you so much for spending Quick Tip Tuesday with me. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Don't forget to join me over in our Facebook group, and I'm also on Instagram. So please pop on over to my Instagram page and follow me there. I'll see you again on Friday. Bye! For those of you who stuck around all the way to the end, I've got a secret little bonus for you. Pop on over to my website, which is www.missmarkersquilts.com, and in the section for quilt patterns, you'll find a free PDF that'll give you all of the information from this video. Thanks so much.